this life, if you don't say this where I am, nobody will say that's where you are. I think over the time, we're tired of being behind, supporting others. We also need to be supported by others too. That's the message. While I was vying to contest for the primaries, I made one thing clear, that I'm only making myself available if God wants to use me, our partner, to rescue and restore Nigeria. But the situation that we have right now needs somebody who is creative, who has the capacity, who has the exposure, who has the knowledge, who has the sincerity of purpose, and also who has the love for the people to actually get this done. We can't be challenged all the time about leadership in Nigeria when there are a whole lot of people. But I'm happy, PDP, I said so over and over again, all of us that went in for the primaries in PDP, all of us are capable to take Nigeria out of where we are right now. So that's why I'm happy. I can only make an appeal that all of us can come back as a team to actually work for the party, for the success of the party. Once the party takes the center stage, I'm sure each and every one of us will have a whole lot to contribute. The whole issue is not about the quest. It's not just about our selfish interests. It's just about the generations yet unborn. I think that's why we are coming out to tell Nigerians that we are ready to salvage the situation. Just take all the 36 states of this federation, compare with what is on ground. Then let's compare notes. You see, you must compare apple with apple. I mean, oranges with oranges. So let's just bring the 36 states in the past 7 years and then put on ground. Let's see what we've done. Economically, putting things on ground, the foundation of what will actually bring back the economic growth of this state. I mean, we have a lot to show. Mention one area that we can be found wanting. I think all round we've been excellent, quite impressive. But trust me, we're ending well, we're ending strong. And we're ending with the joy of our people at the back of our minds. So watch what will happen in the next 12 months. I think we'll close very well.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.